Hello everyone, and today I'm very excited to share my desktop app Taskile. It's a 2-minute demo of it. Once you install the app, wherever you are on your laptop, just press the hotkey Alt press K and the interface is there that is capturing your voice task until the noise is detected. You can also hit done to stop it. For example, I say remind me in 30 seconds that I have to do something. Once task is spoken, it is categorized in normal task, priority task, and notes. If you say some time in voice, it is taken as a task, otherwise note. And if it includes certain keywords like important, urgent, for example, if I say it's very urgent, remind me after 2 hours that I have to upload the assignment, so it will be set as a priority task. Talking about other tabs, there is a productivity hub in the app where you can see how many tasks are pending, and a focus mode in which you can have all the priority tasks.
Reminder,
See, the
remind me.
voice reminder is there. It will keep on reminding until you acknowledge. You can also edit the task. To exit the interface, it's same, press the hotkey. It has local storage, it's offline, and it's very simple. Thank you.